Today in this video, we will talk about how to cancel your weekly subscription class dojo. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, if your kid cannot attend a class and you'd like to cancel it, you can do it from your dashboard in a few clicks. If you do it more than 24 hours before the class, you'll get a full refund for the class. Log into Dojo Tutor at https://tutor@classdojo.com. Find the class you'd like to cancel and click on the three buttons in the top right of the class card. Click on Cancel Class. Confirm you want cancel by clicking on Yes, Cancel Class. You're done. You'll see a confirmation message, and the class will no longer appear in your dashboard. You will also receive an email to confirm the cancellation. So by using this method, you can easily how to cancel your weekly subscription class dojo. Hopefully this video will be helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.